The next stage in agriculture, that is crop production, is your harvest and storage. The crops are harvested, that is they are cut and gathered when the crop is ripe. The harvested crops must be stored in godowns carefully to prevent damage to grains and seeds. So once the crops are harvested, that is they are cut and they are gathered when ripe, the harvested crops, they have to be stored in godowns. Godowns are special places where the crops are stored before they are sent for distribution. So the godowns carefully to prevent damage to grains and seed. The next stage is your transportation. The stored crops, that is the crops in the godowns, is transported to different places from where it reaches our kitchens. So from the godowns, they are transported to different places, and that is to wholesale and retail shops, and then from there we buy and we use it in our houses, in our kitchens. Non-perishable crops such as your cereals and pulses can be stored for a longer period and transported later. Non-perishable crops are crops that do not perish, that is they can be kept for quite some time, for a long time. So non-perishable crops, that is your cereals and pulses, can be stored for a longer period and transported later. Perishable crops such as your fruits and vegetables have to be transported quickly. Perishable crops are crops that need to be used immediately. Like example is your fruits and vegetables. You cannot keep them for more than 2 or 3 days. They start to get spoiled. So these are perishable crops and they need to be transported quickly or immediately. So these are the different stages of agriculture. Stages of agriculture or crop production. So the first one we seen is the ploughing, that is the soil is loosened. So first is your ploughing. The next stage is your enrichment of soil by using manure and fertilizers. So enrichment of soil. The third stage is the sowing of seeds. So healthy seeds are sown. The next stage is your irrigation, that is supply of water. The next stage is your use of chemicals. The next stage is your harvest and storage. The next stage is your transportation. So these are the different stages of agriculture or crop production. So the first one is your ploughing. The field is ploughed, that is the soil is loosened and the stones and pebbles are removed from the soil. The next is your enrichment of soil, that is manure and use of fertilizers in order to enrich the soil. The next is your sowing, that is healthy seeds are sown and sufficient space is left between seeds for them to get the warmth, water and air that is required for a seed to grow. The next is your irrigation, that is water is supplied to the crops through special pipes and channels. Next is the use of chemicals, that is pesticides are used to protect it from pests like mice. Then scarecrows are used to drive away the birds, and finally the fields are fenced in order to protect the plants from grazing animals. The next is the harvest and storage. That is, the crops are harvested, that is, they are cut when the crops ripen, and they are stored in godowns, and from there they are transported and finally reach our kitchens. And the next stage, the last stage, is your transportation. So the stored crop is transported to different places from where it reaches our kitchen. And we see that there are two types of crops, that is the perishable and non-perishable. The non-perishable crops like your cereals and pulses can be stored for a longer period and transported later, whereas your perishable crops like your fruits and vegetables have to be transported quickly. The next topic is your step farming. So talking about step farming. Here in hilly regions, if you notice, in the hilly regions, the people do not have enough space to grow crops. For example, if you go to hill stations like Ooty and Kodaikanal, you don't find place to grow crops. So they cut steep slopes into several steps. So if you have a look at the crops, you will see it is like steps. So they are cut into several steps and they create flat surface for growing crops. This type of farming is called step or contour. So this type of farming is called step or contour or terrace farming. So unlike the plains where there is ample space for growing crops, we see that in hilly areas they do not have enough space to grow crops. So what they do is they cut steep slopes into several steps and they create a flat surface for growing crops. And this type of farming is called step or contour or your terrace farming. So farming in hilly areas are known as step or contour or your terrace farming. So this is about different parts of the plant, that is reproduction through vegetative parts, that is not only by seeds but also your stem, leaves, roots, spores, etc. The next is the stages of agriculture, and finally your step farming or your contour farming or terrace farming that is done in the hilly areas because there is not enough space to grow crops.